welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I got this butterfly and heart shape press on nails. So just keep watching. So here I have my nail stand, brush, purple gel and dapping dish. In the dapping dish I'll put some alcohol to clean my brush during the process of making press on nails, and paper towel. I start with my tips and I have cut it down and filed it from from the top and side, and I have my nail stand, so I'm using some clay to stick my nails on the stand. I have already applied base gel and I cured it, but so sorry I couldn't record it. So we are gonna use this light purple gel and I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this, so I'm gonna do the first one and put it in the lamp for 1 minute. So here I'm gonna do this step for my thumb and for my pinky, and then I'm gonna do another coat and put it in the UV lamp for another 1 minute. Meanwhile, always clean your brush. As you can see, I'm just dipping into my dapping dish and cleaning on my paper towel. Now we will do ombre effect on index finger and middle finger. So I'm doing ombre effect with my purple and white color. So first I will apply purple for the both nails, and then I will apply white. So I don't need to clean my brush several times. I have taken my white color gel and now I will apply white color. I didn't cure purple because if I will cure and then I will apply white, we can't do ombre effect. And another important point, before applying white, make sure you clean your brush, otherwise you will ruin our design. Now I will take my nail art brush. As you can see, it has some less hair, so it will help to blend both color together. Just do this step very gently and blend both colors. Now cure this in UV lamp for about 1 minute, and again repeat this step for second coat and put it in UV lamp. So this is my ring finger nail, and I will apply same purple gel on it, and I will apply 2 coats and cure it for 1 minute between each layer. For my thumb and pinky, we already applied the purple gel and cure it. So now I'm going to apply matte top coat and cure it another for 1 minute. for my ring fingernail, I'm going to apply matte top coat and we will cure it for 1 minute. For index finger, I will put some butterfly in heart shape. So I will use base coat to apply those butterfly. I will apply one by one those butterfly in heart shape, and before I curing, just check shape of your heart that it's perfectly placed or not. I've applied my butterfly, so now I'm going to cure it for 1 minute. For my middle finger, I will apply base gel, those butterflies in heart shape, and please check your design before you cure it. Sorry, I forgot to mention, I got this butterfly from Amazon. So whatever the product I'm using in this video, I will mention it in description box. If you are interested, please don't forget to check the description box. My index finger and middle finger is cured, and because we applied butterfly, so our surface is not smooth. So for that and for butterfly, we need to cover it. And so for that I'm using this clear gel to cover those butterflies. And I think I got this from AliExpress or Amazon, I'm not sure, but whatever the thing I'm using in this video, I will definitely mention everything in description box, so don't forget to check that. One thing guys I need to mention here, I have used white and purple gel that I have bought from Amazon. So please don't buy that. I will not recommend you guys because I didn't like the quality of the product. Because if you will do overlapping, it's getting peel off. So don't buy that. You can use a gel polish instead of that. And I have used this because I'm making this press on nail for my sister and she wants this color only, this particular color. So I will not recommend something which I didn't like it. Somehow I manage it with this gel, but don't buy that purple and white gel. As you can see, I have already covered my index finger and middle finger with that clear gel, and then I will cure it for 1 minute in a lamp. Let's move on to ring finger. Here you will see different ring on my hand, and that's because when I was shooting I got a call and I didn't check that it was not recording. So when I did a second set, I recorded at the time. For ring finger, before we applied matte top coat and I cured it, and now I'm applying this purple chrome powder. I thought it will look nice. So to apply this chrome powder, just use your finger. It's much better and easy. It comes with brush, but use your finger. just wipe it off with the brush and then I will apply matte top coat and I will cure it. I will decorate my ring finger with the rhinestone and I will make a triangle for that. So to apply rhinestone, I will use my base coat. You can use your nail glue or rhinestone gel, anything. I prefer base gel because for me it won't move at all even I'm wearing that nails for a month. After you place all stone, just cure it for 1 minute. Now apply matte top coat and cure it again. Now I will apply matte top coat for my index finger and for my middle finger, and then I will cure it for 1 minute in UV lamp. My press on nails are ready. As you can see, those butterfly in heart shape looking very cute. Because of ring finger, rest everything get attracted automatically. Let me know guys, what do you think through comments. Now to apply on my sister, firstly I will push back her cuticle with the help of my cuticle pusher. Do it very gently. Now just block off her natural nails with 180 grit filer and then remove dust. And apply glue on backside of nails and apply on finger. Now I will apply cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the like button and share it, and don't forget to share your opinion through comments. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, be safe.